Dexi Dadzie here, and if you're new, hey, sub to me. Also like this video because just do it. Anyway, if you're returning, hey, welcome back. And also like this video too if you haven't, because well, it's just protocol here. You just like the video in advance because I know y'all will enjoy it, and I just don't want to save you the hassle towards the end of the video. So I'm here because I don't think I've done like one makeup video on my channel, and it was just me filling in my eyebrows and talking quietly. I will not be talking in this video because I don't really like, I don't like doing that, honestly. This is just gonna be very fast, you know, fast video. I'm gonna be beating my face. I'm going out today, I think, kinda. I just want to do my face. This is a very everyday routine type thing, and I will also, I think I will either list all the products in the description box, or I will list them here in the vid with non-fancy font because I don't know how to do that on Cute Cut Pro. So yeah, also my eyebrows are already filled in because yeah, if you guys want to see an eyebrow tutorial, if you think my eyebrows be looking fleeky, y'all want to see how I do them, hit me up in the comments and I will get that out for y'all. Anyway, let's get into the video. I know. Okay, I'm actually looking at my makeup in my iPhone right now, and I don't look that bad. Also in the mirror, I don't look that bad either. Also I'm watching a gigantic video because I set my face with the ColourPop All-Star finishing spray. It's matte. I like a matte finish. I don't think I showed myself highlighting, but I highlighted only my nose, bridge, and the tip. And my lip gloss I'll be using is from Broadway. It's the Ultra Lip Rose Hip Oil lip gloss. Just get clear lip gloss, basically. This is like every day when I do wear makeup. This is like the go-to routine that I go to. But yeah. Also, I don't usually do winged eyeliner, but it usually makes my eyes look really cool, so I might be incorporating that. What else? I don't know, I just look janky right now. But that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, then like, comment, and subscribe.